was that noise?
Make a face. Oh, you're a fart.
He has a lot of memory issues, and it's a miracle he survived.
She just farted on you.
Oh. Oh.
How was your nap?
Give Grandpa a kiss. Oh, he's so sweet.
Look at that fat chin. Oh, really?
I miss you and I love you. And
You see those faces?
Nice.
does it taste good? Ooh, nice. You say good morning? Oh my god.
Did you fart? Did you have to fart?
So stop.
Hello, Pops.
Virginia College Online for severe crazy
Ooh, you heard that, Pops?
Anymore? Oh, a big fart for Daddy.
You gonna tell everybody hi today? Oh, you're gonna poop. Nice.
She is far down.
That's what you deserve.
Good morning. Oh, nice. Wow.
Hi, cutie. Oh my god. She is such a stinker.
Oh, are you pooping?
Doing? What are you doing? Oh. Can you say mama?
Dada.
Lay down! Lay down!
Yeah? A little bit? How's that? No? Okay.
There's something on your lip.
You know, you really should use the shampoo that doesn't dry your hair so much. You don't want to.
Leon, eat your Cheeto! Eat your Cheeto!
Lay. Thanks, baby.
Yeah, she's in the really
Hannah.
Oh! Yeah, let me sit on.
okay. It's okay.
Me.
What are you doing?
Why is mommy annoying you?
And you wouldn't do very good in a tornado.
Chocolate what?
Chocolate pooping.
No, pudding.
Chocolate pooping.
That's not my hair. You got it.
What's so funny?
Who had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, E-I-N-G-O. B. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Yay!
Ready?
Did you ask Mama? No, I don't even want to ask Mama because you know.
What's the matter? You're stuck? Yeah? Do you need help?
Your faces you're making, just making.
God is great. God is good. Let us thank Him for our food.
You're awake. You're faking it.
Here, just whisper it to the see.
I gotta go. I gotta go. I get lipstick on my hand.
Okay, well, no more lipstick, okay?
This dog slept, but he won't go. Well, people used to get fed dogs to go by saying.
What do you want me to do? Get rid of the sun?